Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee if you're new, and y'all see I'm happy because I'm fresh off work. Today is December the 18th and I got home and I got a package. Y'all already know where it's from, Shein. This vlog is going to be a maintenance vlog. We're going to do eyelashes. We're going to go get our feet done. I'll be getting my hair done in this vlog. This is going to be a Christmas beauty prep vlog. So let's get this thing started with seeing what we got. So that's weird. Oh no, it's not, because I done ripped down, y'all, I done ripped into this package so darn hard. I done ripped the bag that the darn outfit come in. So if y'all been watching me for a while, y'all know I love the short sets on Shein, and when I saw this one I had to have it. So y'all know I love anything with the little fringes, so these are shorts. I bought a whole bunch of like bodysuits and tank tops from Fashion Nova a while ago that I haven't got to use yet, so that's what I'll be using with this. Probably like a chocolate brown one or something. So these are the shorts, and they are lined on the inside. I like that so it won't be see-through. And I'll make sure I'll pop a picture up on the screen so y'all can actually see the outfit, because I know this is not doing it any justice. And I'll probably be taking this with me on vacation. So this is the top, just a button down, and the arms have the same fringe all around. And I have some cute shoes to go with this. So yeah, let's move on to the next thing. Next, y'all, I have a cute seashell purse, but it's clear. I needed a little seashell purse that was white. It's like I said, I needed like, yeah, white and gold. So I ordered this seashell shaped purse, and this is gonna be so cute. I have some gold flip-flops with some gold seashells on them. And it has the pearls like the clear one, and it has this little white strap. But I will not be using this white strap, and I probably won't be using these pearls, maybe. I'm going to put a one of my gold chains on this bag, and that's how I will be carrying this bag. This is just like a fashion bag, so it only needs to fit phone, lip gloss, money, and cards. So it's the perfect size. It is super cute, and I love it for what I'm going to use it for. And then I think this is the only other thing I got right here. I got this blind cleaner because I usually like spray my blinds down with like bleach and water and just wipe in between them. But when I saw this thing, I said, let me give it a try. So this just goes in between the blinds, and you just swipe through it like that to clean the blinds. So I'll be trying this. And that's all I have in this package. I'm going to change my clothes. I don't know if I want to get lunch out today. I'm probably going to get me some Chinese food, yeah. We're going to change my clothes, and I'll talk to y'all when I get to the nail shop or in the car. Bye. Hey y'all, I just walked in the nail shop, and I'm in the chair. I'm about to get my pedicure and stuff, and I will check back in with y'all once I am finished. Alright y'all, I didn't vlog in the stores where I was because it was so many people, but I'm at the house, I'm drinking, and I'm around my family, so I'll pick one. Y'all hear that? I ain't even gonna cut that out, y'all. I'm not even gonna cut that out, y'all. So I'm enjoying right now. I will pick y'all back up. We enjoying. I'll pick y'all back up in the morning. Make sure y'all hit that like. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and I'll check back in with y'all tomorrow.
We're gonna check back with you tomorrow and be subscribed, guys.
Good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday the 20th. I am outside the bank. As y'all can see, I already got my hair ready. I'm about to go get my hair done. It's 7:18 in the morning. I don't think I recorded anything after I left the nail shop. I went to a couple of stores and I went to the liquor store. You know, my basic thing. I always show y'all that. But yesterday was like a really hard day for me because I lost one of my best friends, Taquan. Him and his husband moved to New York, and I just found out yesterday while I was at work that he passed away. It took everything out of me, y'all. I just it's like I'm just walking in a daze. I don't know, but I love him and I miss him. I'm gonna miss him so much. We was friends for a very, very, very long time. Long time. We still friends. He gone. But yeah, I'm about to get out, get my money. I broke a nail, and I think I got another nail broke, so that'll be in this vlog also. Yeah, let me go ahead and get this money so I won't be late to my appointment. Y'all see I have made it back home from getting my hair done. Y'all know I love when she does my braids. She does a beautiful job every time. She did them a little smaller this time, and I do like them. I think I want her to do them this size all the time. But yeah, this is my hair. I did go in Didi's, but I didn't vlog, and I didn't find anything I wanted in there anyway, and it was so many people in the store. So what I'm doing now is I just finished my Black Friday haul video. I was supposed to get my nails done, but I didn't. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So I just wanted to come show y'all how beautiful my braids were. And yeah, the store manager just texted me and she was like, did I need to use any bereavement days or anything like that? Because I told y'all about my friend. I don't want to be home. I'd rather be at work, keep my mind off everything or whatever. I don't think staying home will help me. So I am going to return back to work tomorrow. I feel like it'll keep my mind busy and I'll be all right. And then once I get off work for a little treat, I'll just go get my nails done. So yeah. I'll check back in with y'all later, or I will check back in with y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, it is Thursday the 21st and I'm from work. I went to the nail shop, but I didn't vlog. It was kind of misty and raining and stuff like that, and I had left work a little early, and it took about 4 hours for my nails to get done. So let me show y'all my nails. They are going to take me into the new year, and I wanted to try the little sweater trend I see everybody doing with the little sweater design. So I got the sweater design on there. I got some ketchup on my nails. I just got done eating. I had went to Wingstop because Wingstop is right by the nail shop. So yeah, here are my nails. They are so beautiful. And I also got a PR package. Show y'all this. So now lashes, hair, and nails is done for Christmas. Yay for us. I still don't know which outfit I'm gonna wear. And so for a review, I got these security camera light bulbs. They just twist into the light socket like so, and you can watch the camera on your phone and stuff like that. through the little light bulb. And this comes with 2 in a pack. If you are interested, it will be down in the description box below. And then I think this is the rest. This is something from Shein. Let's check it out. Oh, I had got everything from Shein already. But apparently I did. Okay, this is the last thing I was waiting on. It's a matching. I don't know if it's matching. I couldn't really tell. But if it's not, we still gonna wear it. So this is Mr.'s 2-piece outfit. I'll put the picture on the screen. The shirt and the shorts are white. Y'all know I don't want to pull it out. Hold on, let me look though. It might be matching, y'all. Then I have this dress. Does it match, y'all? Yes, it does. And I'll put the pictures on the screen. Yep, that matches. These outfits. But yeah, I forgot I was waiting on these. So yeah, I ain't doing nothing. I'm just chilling. I have to go to work Friday and have to close Saturday, and then I'll be off Sunday. So I may check in with y'all Sunday. Or I may check in with y'all Christmas Day. I don't know. But anyway, I'm about to chill, and I will talk to y'all later. Y'all, I love my nails so much. They're so beautiful. Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all. It is Friday the 22nd, and I'm just checking in. I'm just not too long from work. And I'm gonna show y'all some stuff that I got. So, from the thrift store. So first, I've been loving this material. I have like 3 or 4 outfits made out of this material. But this is a black romper. This is the front, and this stuff, none of this stuff was on sale because it was not the color of the day. So it just crisscrossed in the front. I might try this on for y'all, I don't know. It's like some little palazzo pants. They go like halfway down to the knees. But I think this is so cute, and I can dress this up or down for a little throw on with some cute earrings and some shoes and be cute. So I got it. Y'all, I bought me some cute little flamingo earrings like a while back and never used them. And this dress is in a large, and it just reminded me of the cute little flamingo earrings. So I just had to get this for a little throw on. Only thing that could have made this better is if it had pockets. So yeah, it's a little cute little dress. Probably wear this on vacation somewhere. Let me see, do this got pockets? It got pockets? No, this romper don't got pockets, but it is lined. So let's go to the next one. Next, y'all know I love colors and stuff, and this is like right up my alley. So I got this dress. It has a black stripe down the middle. So cute. The pineapples and tropical. Y'all know this. I love it. Long. I can use this for a house dress, or I can use this for a vacation or anything. And I love it to be cute around the house or whatever. More than likely, that's what I'm gonna use it for. And this was, let me see, probably $6.99, I think. Yeah, $6.99. So the next thing that I got was this cute little 2-piece outfit with the shorts. And y'all know I had to get this because the shirt had a cute little butterfly on it. Something cute to have on at night to sleep in, a little sleep set. So I got this. And then last but not least, y'all might don't see the vision, but I see the vision. I gotta see if I can fit it, or do I need to lose a little weight to fit it. But this is a beaded blouse. It is so beautiful, y'all. I paid $10.99 for it, and this is the bottom. I was thinking that I could wear a plain black mini dress or a black mini skirt with some thigh boots or something, or some ankle boots with it, which I already have some, y'all. I just think this would be a showstopper. To imagine a plain black spaghetti strap mini dress, some plain black boots, but then throw this over the top of it. So pretty. And this is the bottom of it. The bottom goes at an angle, y'all. See that? Y'all, I love this so much. And yeah, so that's the shirt, the top. I think I'm gonna wash everything. I'm gonna have to put this into the cleaners. Hopefully they don't mess it up, y'all. Not a bead out of place or nothing. When I seen this, I was like, yes, I have to have it. I have some ideas for this, even some black leather pants or some skinny leg jeans or anything, y'all, with this top. This top is a showstopper. So I'm gonna get this stuff, other stuff in the wash. I'm about to unpack my work bag, and I'm gonna find me some Christmas movies and talk to Mr. Fix me some dinner, and more than likely, if nothing spectacular don't happen tomorrow, I'll check back in with y'all on Christmas Day. Bye. Hey y'all, it's 9:52. Christmas Eve. I've been off work for a while, but y'all like my last movie recommendation, so I'm gonna give y'all one more. I'm having me a drink, and I'm watching this movie called The Devil All the Time on Netflix. It is so good, y'all. I'm gonna put the name on the bottom of the screen, and if y'all looking for something to watch, make sure y'all check that out. The Devil All the Time. That's what it's called. Y'all, I had to pop back in to tell y'all, don't let the title scare y'all, and pay attention to the movie. Y'all, I promise y'all this movie is so good. Y'all, it's Christmas Day. There go Mister. We are about to eat. It is about 1:40 something. It is raining and gloomy in Florida, so we're not doing anything but just watching TV. We about to eat some food. This food I'm about to show y'all is all Haitian food, so I'm gonna let him tell y'all what's all on this plate, and then I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. So hold this. Let me let him tell y'all right quick. Go ahead.
It's just some brown rice and peas.
Macaroni gratin.
Yeah, macaroni gratin. Plantain, which we call bun peze, and grill.
And what's that?
Fried pork.
And what's that? Brown stuff.
Pickles.
Oh, no, I'm talking about this. Yes.
I'm guessing that's yours. I think that's the turkey. The ground beef. It tastes like yours. Could be wrong.
Outside, how bad it's raining, and I just want to say Merry Christmas, and I hope y'all enjoy y'all Christmas, and I'll be back probably around New Year's. I'm gonna take me a little break for a couple of days. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's raining so hard. I hope y'all enjoy y'all Christmas and have a happy New Year, and I'll be back with another one. Bye.